Welcome back to Nini's Eats. I'm your girl Nini, and this is, what's your name?
Ina.
Huh?
Ina.
Ina. And today, you guys, we are coming to you with, yeah. We are coming to you guys with the 2-liter of soda, no burping challenge. I thought it'd be cute and fun to do it with my baby.
I did burp.
You hear him? He said what?
I did burp.
You're not gonna burp?
Yeah.
You're gonna beat mommy?
Yeah.
He says he's gonna beat me, so we'll see.
Yeah.
So again, real quick for the rules, I have to drink a liter. I have to drink a liter. And, you know, since he's a little guy, I just got him a little bottle like this. And then, you know, of course, all he has to do is drink a half a liter. Okay? And we're going to try to drink half of our bottles without burping. So, let's see who wins, okay?
Yeah.
Ready? Ooh.
Okay.
You want mommy to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. JoJo says hi, y'all.
He said hi,
Hi, y'all.
Hi, I want to do.
If you want to.
I want to.
Okay, you ready? Ina's been waiting for this all day long. Mommy, you ready? Mommy, you ready? Mommy, you gotta do your hair. Mommy, you gotta do. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get to it. Are you marked? Get set. Go.
I did burp.
No burp. You need to burp?
Yeah. My heart broke.
Huh?
My heart broke.
Your heart broke?
Yeah.
You mean your stomach hurts?
Yeah.
Okay, then burp. He said his heart broke. His tummy must be feeling it. You gotta burp, baby.
I can't burp.
You can't?
Yeah.
Maybe he'll win. Come on, drink your soda. Can you drink your soda?
I can't.
Oh, I thought you said you were gonna beat me.
Yeah. You're ready, of it?
Mm-hmm. Not yet. Oh, my stomach hurts. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Did you hear that? Oh. Oh. Ooh, that was a good one. I can never get the first liter down. That sucks. You got burp, baby, burp. Oh. Oh. That was a little one.
Yeah.
That was a little one.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
You're adorable. You're not adorable?
Yeah. I am, Mom.
Oh, you are adorable. So you know you're adorable?
Yeah.
Are you showing them your hair?
Yeah.
You're showing them how long your hair is?
Yeah.
Yeah, mommy did it, huh? Yeah. Mommy did your hair? Yeah. Did it hurt?
Yeah.
A little bit, huh?
Yeah.
This boy has a head full of hair, y'all.
Oh, I burped.
I heard a burp.
know that.
What?
That bear.
Oh. Ooh. You sure are making a lot of noise. Are you drinking it?
Yeah?
Yeah? Burp.
I can't.
You can't. You gotta let it come out on its own.
Yeah.
You keep blocking that cute little face. Come over here next to mommy. There you go. I love you.
I'm not little bird.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where?
Cat bird.
You burped already?
I can't.
Oh, it will. See? Go.
I can't.
Your tummy hurts?
Yeah.
Oh, boo boo. Okay, no more for Ina. Okay?
Okay.
No more. Good job. High five. You did good.
Yeah, I did that.
You did good. Yeah, you burped. I heard you. Oh, oh, you're leaving me?
Yeah.
Come back.
Hey.
Kids. He said, I'm done. Bye. Maybe all done? No more?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll try to. I don't know.
I don't know.
Because I don't want to feel sick either. I was hoping you would do more than what you're doing, but I guess not, huh?
Not big.
Huh?
Not little. Not little bird.
Oh. Whew. There's a little bird?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't hear it. Oh, mommy got big birds.
Yeah. Are you ready? Are you? I'm winning. You're not a bit.
I'm winning.
You winning?
Yeah, look, my soda's almost done. Your soda's still at the top. Oh, you gotta burp and then drink some more.
I can't.
You can't? Okay, don't do it then. That was fun.
I heard.
Okay, don't leave me. Wait, say bye-bye at least. Say bye-bye
Bye
first.
bye.
Come here, say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Say I love you.
I love you. Bye.
You're a booger, Ina.
No, not.
You left me.
No, not.
Oh, man. Okay, you guys, well, that was fun. You coming back?
Yeah.
Okay, he's coming back now. So, tell everybody to give the video a thumbs up. Yeah. And say if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber, say subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. And tell them to comment down below. Say comment down below.
Comment below.
Yeah, point. Go like this. Yeah, good job. Say see you next time.
See you that time.
Say love you.
Love you.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Bye.